How did Japan rebuild cities on land which was decimated by atomic bombs? Wouldn't the radiation keep people away for thousands of years? The answer: talk about how the fallout isn't that bad. Long half-life particles, and how there was not that much fuel to begin with. Yeah, sure, but, and more on point. The bombs were quite large in terms of mass, and quite inefficient. So only a fraction of fissile material in the bombs got used up. The rest was scattered with the blast as fallout. That isn't too good, but... In Hiroshima, the city got washed with typhoon rain that flooded the rebuilding city. It destroyed many of the just rebuilt services, but it also washed the city as some of the fallout got washed into the bay. That helped a lot with radiation. But mostly, they started rebuilding as soon as the fires brought by the bomb died down. Local people and governments started repairing services and their city not thinking about the radiation because they didn't know something like this existed. I'd point you toward a Guardian article about Hiroshima rebuilding. https://www.google.com/amp/s/amp.theguardian.com/cities/2016/apr/18/story-of-cities-hiroshima-japan-nuclear-destruction. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.